How to set up shipping on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on Shopify shipment and how we can set up shipping on Shopify to run a successful business online. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will open up your Shopify store and you will get to your admin right here. So you can see this is my Shopify. I have this store known as My Sweet Closet, and this is the admin that I have for my store. And I'll show you how we can set up shipment for our Shopify. It's really easy to do, and we'll just do it step by step, and it is going to be a beginner's tutorial for you guys to help you set up your Shopify. Without any further ado, let's get into the process. Once you have your Shopify store, make sure that you have different products created. You can see we have this panel. We have home, orders, product, customers, analytics, marketing, and discount. So if you are already using Shopify, you're quite familiar with these options. But when it comes to the shipping, we will have to go to the settings. So I will click on settings now, and it will open up the settings for me. And in settings, we have different options such as store details, plans, billing, user permission, payment, checkout, and then we have shipping and delivery. So you have to click on this option and it will open up all of the different options, the setup that we need to do in order to add shipping for Shopify. And this is going to be for a Shopify shipping. It's not going to be a third party or if you're using any other method. So this is going to be purely on Shopify. So let's get into the process. You can see we have different options and I'll show you all of them until the last option. So the first option that we get in shipping is you can see choose where you ship and how much you charge for shipping at checkout. So first we have to set up the rates for our shipping. Just click on manage right here and it will allow you to set a shipping rate for your products. It will also show you the products that you have. You can see these are the products that I have. And then we have shipping from. Now you will select the country or the zone from where you are actually shipping. And then you can select the standard rate. I'm going to add a rate. And you can see set up your own rates, use carrier app to calculate rates. Now, it depends on the carrier as well. If they're charging me any delivery rates, then I will have to add that as well. Or if I want to add my own rates, then I can do that too. So what I'm going to do is for now, I am going with my own rates. Keep in mind, if you go with 0, it's going to be free delivery. So I'm just going to name it standard. And now I'm not going to do free delivery, but I will be charging 200 in my currency. So you can see this is the price and I can add done, or we can add conditions too. So once I click on done, it will show you the different rates that I have set up. Moving on, we have rest of the world. Now, this is for the domestic shipping right here, within your country, within your zone. But what if I am actually doing international shipping? Then, of course, the rate is going to be more. So we can add that rate. Just click right here. And again, we have the same option. You will select standard and we can enter the amount. So this amount is going to be a little more than the, other one. So I'm just going to go with 500. Perfect, and click on done. So this is the rate that we have for international shipping and this is the rate I have for domestic shipping. So our rates are done now and you just need to click on save and these changes will be saved right here. So you can see profile updated and now we have our own rates. So we'll simply go back. We have set up the rates. Let's move on to the second option, which is the processing time. Show delivery rates to your customers by setting a processing time if you process order in 2 business days or less. So I'm going to click on manage and will take me to the processing date. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a processing time as well for the customer so that they can get an idea that, okay, it will take 3 business days, it will take 2 business days, maybe 5 business days. So they will actually, wait for their parcel. That's what I'm going to do is, so the processing date is going to be 2 business days. So that's my processing time for the order and I'm going to click on save. These changes will be saved as well. Now let's go back. Moving on, we have local delivery. So this is where we can set up the local delivery option and it will allow me, and it is going to be, according to your location that you have. So it depends on your, you can just go to store detail and it will show you your store address. So the local delivery is going to be from the zone that you are in right now. You cannot actually, change it, but if you want to do that, just click on it and it will open it up, and you can just set up this location offers local delivery. And for example, sometimes if we have a store and then we do international deliveries, shipment, but at the same time we're doing local deliveries. So that's what it's for. So we have to enter our postal code right here, minimum order, delivery price time, delivery information, and it will set up a local delivery for this location right here. So I do not do local delivery, so I'm not going to select it, but you just select the option and it gives you more options right here. So I'm just gonna like uncheck it and let's go back. All right, so the next option we have is local pickup. Now again, it's the same option as local delivery. If I have the local pickup option available for my store, I will just select this option and it will give me the option to actually add my, pickup time. So we can just say usually ready in 24 hours. This is the location. It's completely free because there is no, in pickup, we're not charging any fee. It's of course free. Then we have order pickup instruction. Bring your confirmation email when you come to collect your orders. This looks perfect. If I want to add something more, I can just type it right here and it will add it. So I'm not going to do that. And I think this looks pretty good. And my store actually offers a local pickup. So I'm going to save this option. Okay, it's done. Let's go back. Then we have the packages. Now this is an important option in shipping where we have to enter our packages details. So I'm going to click on add package. Now you have to enter your package name. So if you have a store and if you have, let's say you have a clothing store and all of your packages are in a same box, then you will enter the details right here just for once. If you're dealing in a thing where you actually wrap it in an envelope, you put it in envelope, you can just go with this one. Then we have soft package or satchel. So it also depends on the type of material you're sending. If it's like a sensitive, then you can choose soft packaging as well. So mine is box and the package name. So for my package name is going to be the same as my store name. So we can just name it whatever we want. And then we have length, width, and height for the package that I have. So for length, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna like add different numbers. And then we have weight when empty. So when it's empty, it's actually 0.5. So this is my package details that I have. Now it depends on your packaging, of course. Click on add package and the packaging detail will be added. So then you can see you can calculate your shipping rate from here as well. Moving on, we have packaging slips. So this is a simple template. Let me show you how it looks like. Click on edit and this is our package slip. Now this is a little coding here and you will get confused and you'll be like, oh my god, it's coding, how we're gonna do it. So it's very easy. You don't need to actually do anything. You just enter your order title right here and it's automatic as well. So let me actually give you a preview of how it looks. So you can see this is what the packaging slip looks like and it looks really professional, you guys. You can see it's so good. Delivered to, bill to, these are the products they ordered, delivery instruction, and this is my details. Thank you for shopping with US. This is the order number, the date, everything. So this is what the slip will look like for the products and this looks perfect. So you can see it's done with coding. You don't have to do anything. So our packaging slip is done. I'm pretty happy with it. So I'm just going to go back. And then we have our carrier accounts. So here what I can do is I can add any carriers I want to add. And it depends on my location as well and what carrier I want to work with. We can add FDX, UPS, and others as well. And for this option, you actually require an upgraded plan on Shopify, but it's for third-party calculated rates at checkout. If you do not want to use a third party, it's okay. You can leave this option as well. But of course, if you're using a carrier, then you will have to manage it as well, and you will be able to find the option in here. And then we have a custom order fulfillment. So this is an email for custom fulfillment. What we can do is we can add a fulfillment service as well, and we can enter an email address, and we will be able to set an email for a custom fulfillment. Once it's done, then your shipping is set up on Shopify. You can see right here that all of the different options are done, and you can also get more details about the shipment from shipping option given here. Then of course it depends on your sales channels as well that you want to add. You can also work on the marketing, but this is the basic setup we do for shipping on Shopify. And now you know how to set up shipping on